oraciones. Define la oración con sus tres palabras y qué evidencia de su modelo muestra que ocurrió la versión.
Do we answer each one of the five sentences?
No, all together.
All together.
And do we have some sentences then you can okay. Remember also to draw an example of what erosion is. You can use the word wall, and you can also use the pictures on the word wall to guide you for your answer. There's also a little video similar to what we saw at the beginning of the You have about 2 more minutes. Whenever you're ready, give a thumbs up. You got it. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Rachel. Would anyone like to share their answers?
Erosion means to break away, like water breaking away soil and rocks. The model shows me erosion because it shows the water sweeping away the soil and rocks. This process also shows deposition, when the soil and water ended up in a different place.
Okay, anyone else?
I don't have the first sentence, but the second sentence is, when watching the model be done, I was able to see the sediments float away into the tin when water is being poured. The sediments moving from one place to another was an example of erosion. And then I drew what I did. Erosion.
Can you explain what you drew?
I drew like dirt on each side and then water flowing through the middle with rocks floating away.
Showing, what was the word?
Erosion?
Anyone else like to share?
I said that the water caused erosion because it moved the soil, and then this happened because the snow wore away the top layer of the soil. And then that's when it dried. And it's water with what? What?
Sorry, it just looked like he was raising his hands or like.
It's just water with soil mixed in because the water moves away the soil.
Thank you. Anyone else would like to share? Miss Jocelyn? Okay, that's good. So Jocelyn wrote, erosion is when natural forces carry away pieces of rock and soil from one place to another. When we pour water in the soil, the rock and soil fell down and created a puddle. The soil was dense. And here we have Jocelyn's picture of the model of erosion. Thank you, Jocelyn. Thank you, everyone, for learning with us. So we're just going to go one more time over the word walk. We have erosion. We say erosion.
Erosion.
So erosion is when natural forces like wind, water, and ice carry pieces of rock, sand, and soil from another place to another. Then we have slope. Can you say slope?
Slope.
No.
So slope is a process by which water and wind wear away the top layer of soil on the land surface. And then we have sediment. Can you say sediment?
Sediment.
Sediment was when any material like soil, sand, and rock fragments are broken down and then moved to an indication by natural forces like wind, water, ice. And the last word we have is deposition. Can you say deposition?
Deposition.
Deposition. And this was a process where the sediment is dropped to a new location and then forms landforms like beaches and dunes. Thank you. And if you have your hands dirty, you can go to the sink and wash it.
Thank you guys. Awesome. So much I want to say. Let me stop right here.